It's 6:35 on a Tuesday morning. We continue now with our Investigation Daycare series. Parents who are thinking about planning a family also need to plan for daycare. With few open spots, some advocates are now looking to Canada for some help. Daycare is becoming an essential part of early childhood education, and around Western New York, infant and toddler spots are becoming more difficult to find.
You have 9 months. If you know you're pregnant, get on that waiting list, but parents that wait don't get on at all.
Sherry Scavone is the executive director at the Western New York Women's Foundation. In many cases, she says, there are waiting lists with 50 or 60 families already waiting.
They can't work unless their child has a safe, quality place to be.
Infant care is expensive for providers, which cuts down on the amount of available spots. Teacher-child ratios are higher, which means more staff, and that's something providers aren't able to swing.
The child care providers aren't earning enough to pay well the people that are taking care of the children.
That's why Scavone and the state's Child Care Availability Task Force are looking to open up more infant programs, creating a system similar to Quebec's subsidized daycare model. City Lab reports it's a low-fee universal program for all children under 5. It's about a $2 billion cost per year, paid for in public funding and by parents on a sliding scale based on income, allowing those parents to get back to work. In 2016, about 300,000 children were enrolled in the program. There's no word what it would cost New Yorkers or if something like this would even be considered.
We know it's really just going to put a noose around our economy if we don't. And so we know that quality childcare is good for our economy, for parents, for children. We also know it's not working for anyone.
In the meantime, the Child Care Resource Network says you should be looking for childcare while you're pregnant. They suggest making an early connection with staffers, visiting the provider, asking questions, and experiencing the classroom before you get on those waiting lists. You can find all of this information and the rest of my Investigation Daycare series by logging on to WKBW.com and clicking on the iTeam section you see on the right-hand side of that page. There's a box that says Investigation Daycare. We've got our entire series right there.
Unbelievable. It's something you have to think